A woman is most beautiful when she has healthy, glowing skin. Everything we're doing this season is about rejuvenation and luminosity. Extra Repair Skincare does more than your normal skincare, but we have updated and improved the perfect formula. Instantly, you will see a difference. Extra Moisturizing Balm is the diamond of all of our moisturizers. It not only significantly boosts your skin's natural moisture levels, it also helps trigger natural production of collagen, which helps keep skin firm, smooth, and plump. Extra Repair Skincare, it's not about looking younger, it's about looking fresher.